The wind and the sun. The wind and the sun are having a disagreement. I am the most powerful, says the wind. No, I am the most powerful, says the sun. I can blow trees to the ground. Brags the wind. I can pull a ship across the ocean. I can make hurricanes and tornadoes. Is that right? Replies the sun. Well, I can melt all the snow on the mountain. I can dry up the entire lake. I can make a sidewalk so hot that it cook an egg. Winter jacket. Let us have a contest to see who is more powerful, says the wind. Who can remove the man's jacket first win, says the sun. Agrees. The wind goes first. It blows gust, cold, and